Right, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to welcome you back to my YouTube channel. Let us do task 11 of engineering graphics and design. Task 11, engineering graphics and design, under the topic of perspective drawing. You understand? So let us do this one. So we have to analyze the views. The very first thing that we are going to do, or that you have to do each and every, before you even start to draw, analyze the views. You understand? Okay, so we do have a left and the front and the top. So which means these perspective views are given in what? In first angle orthographic projection. Okay, so we are going to use this smaller information given to us to get the solution. So our solution is supposed to be right there. You understand? So let's start. So the very first thing that we are going to do, we have to get the vanishing points of the left and vanishing point of our right hand side. And how do you get those vanishing points? Firstly, trace the angles, because this is supposed to be a certain angle and this one's supposed to be a certain angle, so that you know which one amongst your set squares are you going to use. You understand? So this one is out of order. Okay, this one, yes, which means I didn't align my drawing sheet correctly. You understand? Was it's supposed to be, which means this is the set square we are going to use for this, the 30 and the 60 degrees set square. You throw away the 45 in this case. Let me double check. Okay, it's absolutely, is not aligned. So align your, because your drawing sheet has to be aligned correctly. You understand? So that is why the moment I'm putting this one is also not giving me a right line there. Right after we are done, align, you see now it's collect and collect. So after you've aligned your drawing sheet, so we are going to get a line that will start from our stationary point to our picture plane. Once it touch there, go vertically down, and this line of yours has to be parallel to this one, isn't it? So we are going to get it like this, parallel to this line. If I can say this is A, B, C, parallel to A, C. From your stationary point there to go. Once it touch your picture plane, it's gonna go vertically down, so that there you have your vanishing point of your left hand side. Remember, this is grade 11, chapter 4, grade 11. Then from there we are going to get another one this side, so that this one gives you what? Vanishing point of your right hand side. All right, so make it clear. If then from there, this A, it should be now there, in your ground plane. So take this point to vanishing point of your left hand side, like this we go, and you take it to vanishing point of your right hand side as well. Right, so at the end I want to go back just a little bit, because this is more or less we've done it, but in this one the loop is different to compared to that one. So in this case, you'll be advisable to start with your loop other than starting with walls. You understand? Because the walls, they will be under your loop. You understand? So start with the upper part and then you go down. You understand? So we are going to start with our loop, the height. Once it's touched there, it's gonna go vertically, not vertically, vanishing point of your right hand side, vanishing point of your left hand side. Like this we go. Like this we go. Right, now take this point, because this one is already there. Take this one and that one, direct it to stationary point. There it goes. There it goes. Once it touches your line of picture plane, goes vertically down. Like this we go. Right, there we go. So which means this point, it should be, let me see what happened. Is this one and this one. So this one is out of order, so this one is the one I have to take. So from here, that goes intersecting with what, with that one. So there we've got a point, there we are having a point there, and then go from here going down, take this to center. Actually this is CV, center vision SP point, center vision stationary point line. Then you take it to vanishing point of your left hand side. Vanishing point of your right hand side. You understand? So that now from here you join this point with that one. So if you are joining this and that one, it's good as if you are joining this one with that one, because this is your front view side, isn't it? This, it's a what? It's your left view portion. You understand? So which means on this side, we must get something of this nature. You understand? So on this side, we must get something of this nature. So the moment I'm having this line from here to there, solid, is good there by our front view. It's good as if we're moving from here to there. You understand? So now what happened here? We take this point, which is that one, then from there, which means from here to there, without fear or favor. You understand? So we are not going to close it here from here till there, since we do not have a line there from here till there. You understand? So we are going to leave it like that for now. So now take this point to vanishing point of your left hand side. Let's go. There you go. So now take that one. Okay, before we even take that one, because there is a point along, so let's get rid of it. Take this point, because you might find that we might not see the back view of our roof. You understand? It will be, because there is a veil. You understand? So we try by all means to erase, especially in this topic. We must hardly use an eraser. You understand? So take this upfront point before you tolerate that one that is at the back of this one. You understand? Let it go. Once it touch picture plane, become vertical down. So there is the point that I am having. So at the moment, let me have it solid, so that I'll see where exactly are we going. You understand? Even though we know what is still going to further continue, isn't it? But at the moment, we can just leave it like this here. So now we can come back, because this point there in our front view, the moment I'm coming this side, which means I'm now talking about the left view. Sorry. Oh, this is the left and this is the front. So this is the front, this is the left. So it's good as if I'm here at this point, I'm there. There by our top, we are there. So we want to move from here till there, isn't it? So which means from here till there, you understand? So this is the point that you have to take, direct it to what? To stationary point. I am trying to be fast. And then there you go. So which means we have a point here. So now from there till there, it's good as if moving from here to right here, you understand? So now I can have this, so this point from here till there. That's where you're gonna put a gut, is it a gut or something under, because there is a what, there is a, okay, I'll explain at the end. So now we let us get what, this point, this one. So this point, there by our top view, this point is good as if it's that one, you understand? So this point, when you trace it in the top view, it's still in the same line with that one, So which means without fear or favor, we'll have to take this point to vanishing point of our right hand side, but further extend it up front, isn't it? Let's do it. This is grade 11 engineering, graphics and design, my brother. So now we are going to take this point to our stationary point. There it goes. Once it touch picture blend, become vertically down. Guys, we are still having a lot of work that we have to do. So now there it is, you understand? So now I am going to have this one solid from here till there, which is from there till there, you understand? So from here till there, it would be this one. So we have to get this one, we are going to get this point along this one, which means it should be somewhere there. So how are we going to get it? We are going to get it by taking this point, directing it to what? To stationary point. All the points from your top are directed to what? To stationary point. Once they touch picture plane, they become vertically down. So which means it's right there. So then like this we go, then take the point C now, which is the last one. There you go. Once it touch there, come vertical down. So from here till there. A1. Right. So now we can then get that point, this one. Take it. There you go. It's right there. Like this we go. So is that one. You understand? So you are going to join this point. Is not this one, but that one. That one is not even a point. The photocopying machine that I was using, it was not clear, so it was giving me some smaller nyana dot. You see these ones, so this one is part of it. It's part of them. So that now from here till there, you are now 100% sure what is going to be like this. You understand? So it looks like we are done with our roof now. You understand? We are done with our roof. So from here till there, we do not have a line. So that is why from here till there, we are not going to close it. Again, from there by your front, from here till there, there is no line. Again, from there till there, we are not going to close. You understand? So now let's put our walls. We are going to start with that one. that one. Then once it touch there, become vertically down. So which means from here to right there, solid without fear or favor. It's too close, right? Then you take this point, it's not this one, remember, it's not this one, but it's that one. You take it, direct it towards to vanishing point of your right hand side. There you go. So you come back and take that one, direct it to stationary point. There you go. Then from there, go vertically down. So is which one is this one, but not this one, that one. You understand? This is the one that's gonna go just a little bit. Right, before we project this corner, remember how did we got it? We took this point to our stationary point. Once it touch picture plane, that goes, isn't it? But now before we draw it till up there, we must show something like the thickness of the loaf. You understand? The thickness of the loaf. We are going to take this point, vanish it to your left hand side. Like this you go, and then from there, then you can have this one solid till right there. You understand? So now from here, remember from here, not there, you can have it solid as well. You understand? So now you can take this point to vanish it to your left hand side. Then okay, so let's come to we are going to end with these windows. You understand? Let's finish up with the walls this side. We are going to take this point, like this we go. Then from there you take this one vertically down. This is the new point. There you go. So this one that we just got 1 2 1 2, which means is this one, is this one. So from here till up there, we know without fear or favor, we are going to have it solid. Now we can now close like this from here till there. Close. We are done with our walls. Then take this point to vanish it to your right hand side. There you go. Okay, so now let's get the these two windows in the middle. There is a door. You understand? So let's get, we are going to start with this one, following by a door, and end with this one way in our left view, which means we must get it somewhere there and somewhere there, and the door inside. So we are going to take this point, there you go. Goes down. So you don't see it yet. Come back to the windows that you are busy with. Once it touch your corner, go vanish it to your left hand side. Then now come back to say, okay, this is the point that you took from that point you went down, isn't it? So there is the line that you are dealing with. So the point that you're looking for is this one, you understand? And going down, there you go. Once it gets there, take it to vanishing point of your left hand side again. There you go. So there is the point that you're looking for. So now from here to right up there, you are having a solid line like this. Then now take this second one, it's actually this one on top of that one. From there, go vertically down is which one? So there you go, having a point here and there. So just draw it solid like this, so that you can come back and we have it dark from here till here and from here till right there. Are you following? So let's get out the we've just finished drawing this one. Let's draw the door. Take this point, this one and that one. There you go. From there you go. So take the height, let me see, is this one, isn't it? So it's this one. Remember, the door is gonna start from the ground line, isn't it? So that is why I'm drawing it like this, you understand? So the second one is this one, like this we go. From there we go. So it would be this one, but then it's gonna go up. Consider the height. You see this one, once it touched there, you vanish it to your left hand side. If this one, there you go. Okay, it's which one? It's this one and that one. So from here to there, from here to right there, solid and solid. So we're gonna come back to what to express their thickness, the thickness of the wall, you understand? Now let's just draw them like this. Let's draw the last one, which is that one. We're gonna take this point and that one, direct it to your stationary point. There you go. From there down we go. So we are already having the lines, isn't it? Because they are of the same what height, same dimension. So which is this one? So it's right there till there. So take that very last one, there you go. Once it touch picture plane, becomes vertical down. So from here to right there, solid. So that now you can close your window up here and right here. So let's show their thickness. Take this point to vanishing point of your right hand side. There you go. Take this one, the door, this one. Like this we go. Take this one. Like this we go. Okay, so now we are going to take that point, that one, not this one but that one, so that we express the thickness of the walls most. There it goes. Then from there it's this one, isn't it? Go vertically down. There you go. So from here till here is dark, so that from here going up, you understand. Then take this point, direct it to your vanishing point of your left, so that you further extend it even till on the other window. There you go. So from here till here solid, from here till here solid. So that from here till the solid, and from here going up solid. So that's how you express or you show the thickness of the wall there by your windows. So let's have it even on our door. So we are going to take this point, direct it to stationary point as usual, is that one, which is very close to this one, is right there. From here till there solid, again from here till there solid, and you take this point to vanishing point of your left hand side, so that you you further extend it till this side, you understand. There you go. We are having another window here, which is this one, so we're going to take this point, this one and that one, take them to, there you go, and like this we go. So let's take their thickness, I mean the height is this one, it's already there. So it's which one, there it goes, is this let me see very well, want to touch there, or is the upper one? It's the upper one, not the lower one. Okay, it's in the same line, which is this one, then the second one is this one. From there go vertically down, which means it's right there, you understand. So have it like this, then go vertically down by taking what this, because it's that one, there it goes. From here goes to your vanishing point of your right hand side, so which means I'm having a point here and a point from here till there, and have it dark here. So show the thickness of the wall. Again, take this point to vanishing point of your left hand side. There we go. The thickness, we are going to take that one, which is this one, then it's very close, and down you go, which means dark from here till there and dark from here till there. Take this one, but directing it to what, to vanishing point of your right hand side. Yes. Okay, so thank you very much for watching, guys. That was Mr. Nkosi. See you on the next video. Please do not forget to subscribe so that we grow together, you understand. So subscribe and give it a thumbs up, guys, for more videos to be uploaded, even long enough videos to be uploaded. Remember, we are planning to upload grade 10 to 12 engineering studies previous question paper. That's our aim to upload. So we want to upload everything: boiler maker drawing, engineering drawing, N1, N2, boiler N1, N2, grade 10 graphics and design, grade 12, grade 11 graphics and design. So that's what we want to upload. Actually, we want to upload solutions each to each and every question, you understand. So for you to see that happening, you have to subscribe here, guys, and like the channel. Give it a comment, even if it's just one word comment. Great. Your comments, they are so encouraging, like as I've said it to the previous video. So see you on the next video. This was grade 11 task 11. If you scroll down in my previous videos, you can see that there is sequence there. This is 11, so which means the next video, it will be what? It will be 12, up until we finish all of them. Then we go to grade 12, we finish all of them. Then we move to another chapter, grade 10, we finish all the chapter, you understand. So that's what we are aimed to do. So without working together, we are not going to succeed. So let's try to work together so that we make it, you understand. Please subscribe. You've got nothing to lose, guys. Thank you very much. See you on the next video. Okay.